Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. So today, as you guys see by the title, we have a review. So we're gonna be reviewing Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Perfector 4-in-1. And it is a primer, concealer, highlighter, and BB cream. So I picked up the darkest shade that I could find on the Ulta website, and this is retail for $12.99. I really do like the Age Rewind concealers. I talked about them all the time on the channel, and this is it here. Like, I really like them. So hopefully this works as this, because I really do like the concealers. So this is the darkest shade that they carry, and this is the shade dark. Now I'm looking at this and it looks like a highlighter to me, but we're gonna see. I don't know if you guys could pick it up from the camera, but it's more as a highlighter that I'm seeing in there. So even skin tone with light coverage, self-adjusting shade that blends into skin tone. Okay, so since it's a primer and everything in one, I'm not gonna use a different primer. I'm just gonna put it on the skin. Now I don't have anything on my skin, but my skin looking really good, girl. She been drinking her water. My skin looking good, girl. She looking flawless. She looking hydrated, girl. This is the same as the regular concealer, so you get a little sponge on top here. Actually, the sponge are really soft on the skin. And also I'm going to use the actual concealer because I really didn't want to get two of these just to try it as a concealer, because I have a lot of these and I've been saying that from the beginning of the year that I'm trying to finish these because, girl, it's time. Okay, I'm going to put it right here. This is really dark. Really, Maybelline? Like, really? This is gonna work more as a contour for me. This is crazy. All right, girl. It is what it is. Let's just see if it looks more as a highlighter. Okay. I don't really see anything. Okay, let me go back again. So this brush is from Juvia's Place. Honestly, this is more like a highlighter. I don't see anything that's covering up anything. It's just like a little glowy, right? So I'm gonna go over it again and see if I get a little bit more coverage, because it says it's a BB cream, a concealer, a primer, and a highlighter. This is definitely not for oily skin. This is too glowy. If I have dry skin and I want a little glow, I will put this before I actually put on my foundation. I really don't see anything. I mean, it has a little bit of coverage, but this is really, it's a lot. Like, it's really glowy. Okay, let me just do this side. Girl, I look burned, okay? I look like I was in the sun and I got burned out. I'm not seeing anything pertaining coverage. I'm just seeing glow. That's all. This is a highlighter in a bottle, okay, girl? This is not a BB cream. I'm actually disappointed. You see my skin? Like, you see the difference? I really had the nerve to say this is a 4-in-1 and this is a BB cream. There's no way. Like, everybody has their own opinion when it comes to products, but this is not a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury. Like, y'all cannot, no. I have the Instant Rewind concealers. These are my favorite. I have maybe like 6 or 7 of them. Love them, and I'm actually trying to finish them out. I'm gonna use this one. This here is tan. So honestly, like, if you guys like these, I recommend that you guys get these instead, because you could actually use this as a foundation, and I did in the past. Very full coverage, it lasts long. I really like it under the eyes as well. It just, really look good, and it gives you a nice full coverage under the eyes, as you guys can see. Like, this is one of the best concealer that Maybelline ever made. Okay, like, love it. This is like one of my favorite. You guys see the difference. So I'm not gonna put too much on the face. I probably would just put a little powder because I want to see exactly how it looks on its own. See right there is like there's no coverage at all. So I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just going to set this. And this brush is from BH Cosmetics. Put a little powder on top of it because they said it's a BB cream, so we're gonna see how it looks with the powder on top of this. All right, so let's just do one side and see how this looks. This powder here is from Fenty. You see, like I'm saying, like the glow when you put the powder on top of it, that glow just disappear. I don't know, I don't see anything like hype about this. It's just, yeah, you see the glow just going away. Like the shine is just disappearing when I put the powder on. And this powder is really good. I love this powder, so I use it all the time. I'm just gonna put a little bit down here. I'm gonna go in with this powder here. This is from Revolution Pro. I'm just gonna contour a little bit and, you know, make my face look good. I'm going to put a little blush on. I'm using my favorite right now. This is from City Color Matte Blush. You know, just to make everything look like something, girl. The same blush. This is what I usually do when I'm lazy. I don't feel like doing anything. I'm just gonna take a little bit and put on the eyes. Okay, so this is how everything looks. I don't even know what to say about this, and I honestly want to be very honest with you guys. I do not like it as a BB cream or a concealer or a primer. Maybe a primer. I don't even know what primer does. I probably wear this more as a highlighter. Before I put on my foundation, I will wear it like this. This has no coverage at all. Don't even understand why they come up with something like this. This has more highlighter in the bottle than anything else. I'm not really sure what Maybelline was trying to create, but girl, this is not it. Okay, this is definitely not it. I don't know what you guys was trying to do, and you guys, like, really, this is the darkest shade for who? Like, you see when I put this on how my skin look very dark, so you expect me to wear this on its own outside like this? I don't understand the concept of this. All right, this is definitely not for oily skin. Don't even try to get it. It will be too glowy for you. I like it glowy, that's not the problem, but I'm just letting you know, for oily skin, you won't like this. If you want something that is full coverage, I won't recommend this as well, because you really don't get anything but some highlighters and illuminator on your skin. That is the vibes that I'm getting from this. I like the way my face looks. It looks really dewy, glowy, shiny. It's really dark for my skin, so I probably use it as a highlighter and contour, but I do like it, but not as a BB cream. I like it as a highlighter. This is definitely not a BB cream. It really don't have any coverage. All it does is just give you glow. That's about it. But I like how my face look. My face look good. This is the Fenty powder that I use, and my skin still look glowy. You could still see the glow on my skin, and this is actually a matte powder. Okay, so I'm kind of surprised that, you know, the matte powder looks like this, but I still do like it. I like the fact that I could see the glow on the skin, girl. It looks really, really pretty. If you just want some glow and you have dry skin like myself, you want to try it out, go ahead. It still looks good when I put my foundation on top of it. So I probably will try it out again in another video and see how it works with foundation. For now, it looks really good with just the powder. So if you want to try out this method that I use, try it out and see how it works for you. But I still do like it. I think it's really good as a highlighter, but not as a BB cream. Let me know if you guys try this product out. Like I said, they only have 5 shades available. If you tried it out, how did you use it? I would like to hear what you guys have to say. And if you guys want me to try it out with the foundation, please let me know in the comments below, or give this video a thumbs up. If you guys liking my videos, please like and share this video. It really helps for YouTube to push out this video. So thank you guys so much. See you in the next video. Bye guys.